Hey guys, Janus here. Welcome to another Reading with Janus. In this segment, I've actually got two books that I want to share with everybody. The first one is called The Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease Cookbook, and that was published in 2014 by Anne and Jane Esselstyn, with a foreword by Dr. Caldwell B. Esselstyn, who wrote the companion to the book called Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease, and I'll be including a link to both of those books in the description for this video. If you're somebody that really wants to try out the vegan lifestyle, but you're having a hard time making the transition because you just can't find really tasty, really good recipes, those two books are going to, one, give you some great recipes to start off trying, playing around with, experimenting, etc. But then it's also going to help give you a better idea as to why it's so important to start making the transition as quickly as possible, whether you're younger or older. Besides that, what am I doing this week? Well, I decided to release Angion Method 2.0 a week early. I'm going to be releasing it this Friday, potentially early Saturday morning. It all depends how things play out, how much writing I have to do still, and how long videoing and filming takes. So look for that either late Friday night or early Saturday morning. Angion Method 2.0, really excited for that. It's based on a lot of the feedback that I got from guys on forums and on the comment section of the video itself. So whether you've tried out the first Angion method or you're completely new to this, go ahead and check out my video this Friday and see if this is something that you want to incorporate in your own personal PE workout plan. Well guys, this is Janus signing off.